So first I'm starting with this yellow shade from the 35B palette, and I'm just working that in my outer crease area. Kind of keeping that really tight into my crease though, if that makes sense. Then I'm taking this alamar palette and taking that second, like, I don't know, goldish yellow color and working that right where I placed that yellow shade to kind of warm my crease up a little more. Then I'm going back in with that same palette and I'm taking that orange shade and just concentrating that deeper into the crease. I'm taking a clean brush and just kind of fluffing everything out around the edges. Then I'm going back in with a 35B palette and I'm taking this like shimmer yellow shade. And then I realized, yeah, no, I didn't like it. So I ended up going over it with a orange shade from that palette to camouflage that shimmer shade. Then I'm going in with this heat palette and I'm taking the darkest brown shade from that palette and I'm just going to be working that in my outer crease area to give my eyes some dimension. Then I'm going in with this LA Girl Colors corrector and I'm just going to correct spots on my face that I want to camouflage before I apply foundation. Then I'm going in with this new foundation called the Cream Shop. I'm going to apply that with a flat brush. Now this foundation looks super light. I was a little bit discouraged when I first applied it, but yeah, you can see the confusion on my face where it is a bit light for my skin. Then I'm going in with a damp Real Techniques sponge and I'm just going to blend that foundation out on my face. I'm gonna cream contour with this Black Radiance contour stick in Cappuccino. I'm just gonna do my forehead, my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna blend this out. Well, I'm gonna blend my nose out first. I'm just gonna take that contour up into the brow to kind of give it more of a natural effect. Then I'm going in with this NARS Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer in both caramel and biscuit. One is a little bit darker while the other one is a little bit brighter. So then I'm going to take that same sponge that I blended my foundation out with and I'm going to blend that concealer out under my eye. Then I'm going in and blending out this contour that I have on my face. Well, the cream contour to be exact. Then I'm going in with the True Complexions contour palette. This is the shadow contour because I need to set my contour so it doesn't slide off my face. So that's what I'm doing here, just setting the areas. Then I'm going in with some Maybelline setting powder just to kind of set my under eyes. And then to wipe that excess powder off underneath my eyes, I'm going in with the MAC, I think it's the Studio Finish setting powder, just to kind of set underneath my eyes and making sure all that doesn't move. Then I'm tight lining my eyes with this black opal liner. I'm going in with this Tarte blush and Party. Then I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter in Mega Glow and just highlighting the highest points of my cheeks. I know this might seem like a little fast, but I'm trying to keep up with the video because I'm doing a voice memo over on my phone, so sorry about that. Then finally, I'm going in with this lip liner by MAC. I think this is strip down or cork, I don't know. But I'm just lining my lips. Then I'm going in with Taupe by MAC. This is a real nice like brown nude color. Then I'm topping it with, I think this is a drugstore lipstick, not sure the name of it. And this is the final look. Please give this video a thumbs up, as well as comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.